Hi, James with Mobility Quad. I'm going to show you a customization that we did for a customer that is very tall. He's about 6'3", 6'4", and he's having trouble getting in one of these quads. So what we did is we built a custom chair that allows it to tilt back and it will slide back. So this chair will go all the way to the back of here, and it will also tilt. You still keep your original seatbelt configuration. This button is obviously the forward back button. And also we modified the roof so he has maximum roof height.